Peter and the Cucumber Seeds. Peter is an 8-year-old boy. He loves plants very much. He likes flowers, trees, and vegetables. He likes to spend time in the garden. One spring day, Peter's mother came home with a small packet. "Peter, I have something for you," she said. Peter opened the packet. Inside were some cucumber seeds. "Wow, cucumber seeds," Peter said happily. "Can I plant them in the garden?" he asked. "Of course," said his mother. Peter was very excited. The next morning he went into the garden. He dug small holes in the soft soil. Then he carefully put the cucumber seeds into the holes. He covered them with soil and gave them water. "I hope you grow well," he said to the seeds. Every day Peter visited the garden. He watered the seeds and watched the soil closely. After a few days, tiny green sprouts came out of the ground. Peter jumped with joy. "They are growing," he shouted. As the days passed, the plants became bigger and bigger. Their stems grew longer. Their leaves became large and green. Peter took good care of them every day. Spring slowly turned into summer. The weather became warm and sunny. One morning, Peter noticed something new. Small yellow flowers had appeared on the cucumber plants. The flowers looked bright and beautiful. Peter smiled. "My cucumber plants have flowers now," he said. Soon, many little visitors came to the garden. Cute ladybugs landed on leaves. A green caterpillar crawled slowly along a stem. Colorful butterflies flew around the flowers. Peter loved watching them. The garden looked alive and happy. One day, Peter saw something very special. Tiny cucumbers were growing behind some of the flowers. They were very small. Some were only as long as his finger. Peter was amazed. "The cucumbers are coming," he said. Every day the cucumbers grew a little more. They became longer and thicker. Some cucumbers were long, some were short, some were big, some were small. Each cucumber looked a little different. Peter checked them every morning. He loved seeing how much they had grown. Soon there were many cucumbers hanging from the plants. Peter could hardly wait to harvest them. One sunny afternoon, Peter went to the garden with his little sister Lily. Lily is 5 years old. She also liked helping in the garden. "Today is harvest day," Peter said. "Hooray!" Lily cheered. Peter carefully picked the cucumbers. Lily picked some cucumbers too. They worked together happily. Before long, the basket was full. "There are so many cucumbers," Lily said. Peter smiled proudly. They carried the basket into the house. Their mother was very happy to see the fresh cucumbers. "These look wonderful," she said. For dinner, she made a delicious cucumber salad. That evening, the whole family sat together at the dinner table. Peter, Lily, their mother, and their father enjoyed the meal. Everyone tasted the cucumber salad. "It is delicious," said Father. After dinner, Peter thought about next year. Next morning, he went to the garden and looked at the remaining cucumbers. He chose 3 nice cucumbers. They were healthy and strong. Peter left the 3 cucumbers on the plants. As they became older, the seeds inside them would grow bigger. Peter collected the seeds. Then he could plant them next spring. Peter looked around the garden. The flowers, insects, and cucumber plants had given him a wonderful summer. He learned that plants need time, care, water, and sunshine. "I can't wait for next year," he said. And the cucumber plants gently swayed in the warm summer breeze. The